Bwana Musyoka, our head teacher.
Kaloyo Earth Dam was
that we condemn by all terms strongly the abductions, the killings, and the maimings of our youth. It happened the other day when people just had some fracas in Nairobi and other cities, and very many lives were lost. One life lost is rather too much for too many for any of a country, and we want to feel with those families. We want to say that it is not right to abduct people just to kill them. They leave these families without breadwinners, without their children, but we say that this is wrong, and we are using our avenues to speak truth to power, and we shall do it at every time. But we are waiting to tell the country loud and clear through our statement that we'll be issuing next week.